Doon sa clock tower. Let's go. Siguro plano mo magpa-picture din kahit picture din. Makikusap.
I mostly just like, there's a place someone said, and I'm like, okay, I'll just deal with it there versus doing that. But yeah, beautiful harbor.
Yeah, so this is alright, I'll go into tour guide mode. It's not gonna be very good, but I'll do my best.
Ang ganda dito pala.
So I think you can take off my hands.
Yan guys. Oh, wala kami binayaran dito whatsoever, no? So nilakad lang namin to, hindi kami namasahe. Bayad, wala. Lakad lang namin to. Ganda rito. Ang ganda, buti pala pumunta kami dito. Ito magandang tourist spot din pala to. Kasi dito kami sa harbor, no? Ito. Ma'am. Hi guys. Picture kami dito mamaya. Ganda dito.
Oh yeah. It's slow, moving slow through Victoria Harbor. So this one's ILC. That one over there is ICS.
Harbor City. Ang ganda dito. Harbor City to. Sa Hong Kong. Ang ganda sa tower. Clock Tower. Forward. That's the other side. Yun. May mini parking pala dito, may parking. Ganda pala dito. No. Ayan, ang ganda oh. Haha. Nice. Parang nasa Ross Boulevard ka. Kaya lang dito malinis. Ano guys, ang daming Chocoyate. Ang yate yun may magandang yate. Made to you too. City rin pala dun sa kabila baby no. City rin dun no.
Pero onti lang.
Meron silang Ferris wheel no. Ang haba pala nito. Ang ganda no.